Okay, short video here for question 4M3 on fourth chapter of Statistical Rethinking, second edition. So the question wants us to translate the following model into a mathematical definition. And so in the previous questions, we've gone the opposite way, I believe, somewhere where we've taken a model like this and tried to convert it into something like this, into a formula that R can read in this case. So this is the model we want to translate, okay? And so line for line, here we have it. So in the R code, we have that y is distributed normally with a mean mu and standard deviation sigma. And we see that here. The little tilde means distributed as, okay? So in other words, it's not definite. It says that an observation y has a probability of being whatever set of values that are defined by a normal distribution with mean mu, sigma, and standard deviation sigma. And then we have that mu here, okay? That mu is defined as a plus bx, okay? And so in R, this little arrow thing is an assignment, and so it means equal in this case, okay? And so instead of A and B, we're using alpha and beta down here. Okay? And then we have that A is distributed normally with a mean 0, standard deviation 10. Okay? And now we have that beta is distributed as a uniform distribution. And a uniform distribution has the same probability of all values between its boundaries. And here we're setting the boundaries at 0 and 1. And that sigma is, so sigma of the normal distribution of y is an exponential distribution. Okay, and that's it.